Welcome to today's video about the health benefits of papaya seeds. Have you ever wondered if those tiny black seeds inside your papaya could be the secret to better health? What if I told you these seeds pack a punch of benefits that can transform your wellness journey? From boosting digestion to fighting infections, the potential of papaya seeds is mind-blowing. Did you know they might even have anti-cancer properties? Curious about how they can detoxify your liver, improve your skin health, or help control dandruff? Stay tuned as we dive into the fascinating world of papaya seeds, uncovering their hidden health benefits backed by scientific research, and showing you how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Ready to discover the powerful secrets hidden in your papaya? Let's get started. 1. Digestive health. Papaya seeds improve digestion with enzymes like papain, aiding protein breakdown and preventing bloating and constipation. They also possess antipathogenic properties, helping maintain a healthy gut by eliminating harmful bacteria and parasites. Studies show that these enzymes enhance nutrient absorption, beneficial for digestive issues like IBS. 2. Antimicrobial properties. Papaya seeds exhibit strong antibacterial activity against harmful bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Bioactive compounds in the seeds, such as benzyl isothiocyanate, contribute to these effects. They are effective against several strains of Candida, highlighting their broad-spectrum antimicrobial potential. 3. Liver health. Rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic compounds, papaya seeds help combat oxidative stress and reduce liver inflammation. Studies show they can significantly reduce liver enzyme levels, indicating liver tissue repair and detoxification. 4. Anti-cancer potential. Papaya seeds contain bioactive compounds with strong antioxidant properties that combat oxidative stress, a key factor in cancer development. Studies show that these extracts can induce apoptosis in cancer cells and inhibit the growth of various cancer cell lines. 5. Kidney health. Papaya seeds detoxify the kidneys and support their function. Their antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties protect against kidney damage. Research shows they can reduce markers of kidney damage and improve kidney function in individuals with chronic kidney disease. 6. Antiparasitic effects. Traditional and scientific studies support papaya seeds' effectiveness against intestinal parasites. Bioactive compounds disrupt parasitic cells, making papaya seeds a natural alternative to conventional antiparasitic treatments. 7. Heart health. Papaya seeds lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Their antioxidants prevent cardiovascular damage, while fiber content reduces LDL cholesterol. Studies show significant decreases in cholesterol and triglyceride levels with regular consumption. 8. Skin health. Papaya seeds combat oxidative stress, reduce acne, and soothe irritated skin. Enzymes like papain exfoliate dead skin cells, promoting a smoother complexion. Antioxidants in the seeds protect the skin, improving hydration and elasticity. How to use papaya seeds. Raw consumption, start with a small amount. Crushed or ground, add to smoothies, salads, or dishes. Seed extract, available in liquid or capsule form. Topical application, mix ground seeds with coconut oil or yogurt for skin and scalp health. Who should avoid papaya seeds? Pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with allergies, those on blood-thinning medication, individuals with kidney stones, and children should avoid or consult a healthcare provider before use. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible health benefits of papaya seeds. Share your tips and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. Thanks for watching.